Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions only using drugstore makeup, and I'm so excited for this video because I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, but I finally decided to film today. And also I quickly wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Ebates. So pretty much what Ebates is, it's a large cashback site that partners with a bunch of brands like Sephora, Ulta, Kohl's, just you name it, like your favorite stores that you normally shop at, which mine is Sephora, not gonna lie. And also they have an app where you can go and shop there and you get cash back. And what I did is shopped at Ulta.com. This is their Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. So you get 10% cash back when you go to Ulta.com, but using Ebates. That's pretty cool, you guys. And I actually did some damage myself and I did get cash back, which I honestly didn't know if it really worked, but I used the app and it really does, you guys. Like, I was shook. I think I got like $15 cash back, which I know that's not a lot, but if you keep shopping, obviously you will get cash back. So I prefer shopping on the phone. I don't know about you guys, but I do. I love shopping online, and I'm just gonna show you guys a really quick glance of the app. This is the app right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty easy to use. Like, so here it is right here. So as you guys can see, I got $15 and 52 cents cash back balance. That's my balance right now because I just started to use it, and here's my account and everything. So yeah, it's really easy. Here are all the brands that you can shop at. So you can shop at Champions. I love Champions. Sephora, you get 8% cash back. You can also go to where's Kohl's, which gives you 6% cash back. Pretty cool, you guys. And if you think about it, you're shopping and you're getting cash back by doing that. So that's really cool. So I will link the website down below on my description box. And if you decide to sign up today, you will get a $10 bonus after you sign up on the app and make a 25 purchase or more. So yeah, guys, I will have the link down below if you guys are interested. So you guys can sign up quickly and super fast, super easy. What I purchased on Ebates, I went to Ulta and I got a lot of drugstore makeup products. So yeah, Ebates gave me a super generous gift card and they told me to, like, you know, purchase things on there and see what I like and stuff like that. So I was like, heck yeah, I'm gonna do a drugstore video. This is gonna be my first time using these products and I'm just like super excited. Like, I went crazy on the app. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get that. What was cool is that I got cash back while shopping. I mean, who doesn't want that? I did some damage, and yeah, I'm just so excited. There's a bunch of goodies in here that I'm just like, can't wait to show you guys. So if you guys want to see my full face using drugstore makeup and first impressions, then please continue watching. So these things are literally new. Like, I haven't even opened them. So the first product that I'm going to be using is this NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. So I haven't heard any like reviews about this primer. I don't know if it's good, I don't know if it's bad, so I'm gonna try it for myself. Whoa, oh my god, this is really made out of honey, you guys. You saw that? All right, so it has a little spatula, so I'm just going to be applying this. Wow, okay. It smells really good too. It smells really refreshing. Oh my god, and it's like tacky. I think I'm gonna like this primer. Like, I prefer tacky primers because I know that my makeup's gonna stay and it's not gonna like move around. So now that I have that on and good to go, I like how it feels on my skin, so that's good. So I got two foundations. So I got the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Foundation. This is a new foundation from LA Girl, but I also got the new Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. You guys can see it's a new foundation. I haven't tried it, and I haven't tried the LA Girl, like, it's literally new. But I think I'm gonna go with the Physicians Formula because I haven't really used a lot of Physicians Formula products. So I'm definitely gonna use this one today. I'm excited, and the packaging is super luxurious, kind of giving me like Dior vibes. Like, don't tell me. Oh my god, this is so cool, you guys. Oh, by the way, I'm in the shade W2. All right, so I'm just going to be dotting this all over my face. This is a really good match for me, as you guys can see. I'm gonna do one side with a brush, but the other side with a makeup sponge. Let's start blending this foundation. It's pretty full coverage, just covering a lot of my dark areas that I have right here. So I'm just going to be putting a little bit more because I want this spot to be gone. So now that we're done applying this side with a sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side with a brush. So I'm just going to be dotting this. So I'm going to be blending it with my Morphe 439 brush. So as you guys can see, it did do a good job on covering any little like imperfections that I have, any scarring. It feels a little sticky. It's not matte, but it's not saying it's matte. It's saying that it's the Brightening Complex like healthy foundation, so it's gonna make your skin look healthy. I am gonna tell you guys down in the description also like how the makeup wore the whole entire day. So yeah, just look out for that on my description box. So now I'm really excited for this product. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I've seen reviews about this concealer that it's really similar to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but I don't know. I have to see it for myself. But I got the shade C12. I love the applicator. Like I love my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I like it when I apply it. It's really, really nice when you're applying it. So shout outs to Makeup Revolution for doing this. So let's start applying. So this is how it looks. Definitely a perfect match for me, so I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna blend it out with my Eco Tool sponge. So I'm just gonna blend it out. Wow, that was really easy, you guys. So now I'm gonna do my under eyes. This is the moment of truth, you guys. I think this is gonna be like my everyday concealer. I kid you not, this is so nice. It's blending out like a dream. Like of course I'm gonna see throughout the day and see if like it creases, but so far so good. And by the way, like I will have all the products that I use down below. I always have them down there. Okay, so this product, I'm also very excited. I know I'm late on the bandwagon, but you know, sometimes I'm like that. I'm just gonna not use it because everybody's using it. Who's like that? Like I'm like that sometimes, not gonna lie. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxurious Baking Powder, and I got it in the shade Laze. I was gonna get it in the shade Banana. I used to love the Ben9 banana powder, but then I like grew out of that because I remember that it was way too yellow for me. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the powder and just bake underneath my eye. So let me get close to the mirror and see. Oh wow, feels like skin. It looks flawless. I'm shook right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's looking so good. I'm gonna bake a little bit here because I do have a very, very oily T-zone. Okay, I'm gonna set also my eyelids and just press the powder into my skin. I love doing this trick. I feel like my makeup just looks flawless when I do this. That's why I really, really recommend it. I see you guys on the comment bar and saying how you guys do the same thing. Your whole face looks flawless after, and trust me, like I do this all the time. I only bake under here, but you guys are gonna be mad at me, but I did restock on my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's this one right here. I think I might have gotten a deeper shade because summer's coming and you know I'm gonna be a little tan. It's in deep bronzer right here, and I just love the packaging. If you guys own a butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, it smells like paradise. It smells amazing. So this is how the packaging looks like. I love the packaging too. It's super cute. I recommend this bronzer. I restocked on it. I think this is the only thing that is not new, but I'm gonna be applying it with this stippling brush. I'm gonna fast forward this part because you guys know how I feel about the butter bronzers. So now for blush, I'm really excited because it's also from Physicians Formula. This is the Butter Blush, Murmur Butter Blush. I got the shade Vintage Rogue. I never tried the blushes from Physicians Formula, but I've heard really great things. This is how it looks like. Same packaging, just think a little bit more smaller. So I'm gonna be applying it. After I'm done applying the bronzer and the blush, I go ahead and bake underneath, kind of to clean out. So next, I'm going to be doing my brows. The brow pencil that I got and I'm really excited about, this is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. This one right here. And I picked up the shade Brunette. So I'm freaking excited. Like, I'm all for inexpensive brow pencils because nowadays brow pencils are like $30. I think this brow pencil is $5 if I'm not mistaken, but again, I will leave everything down below so you guys can know. So this is how the LA Girl brow pencil looks like. You have a spoolie side and then you have the actual, you know, product. So I'm just going to be brushing out my brows because they're looking a little bushy right now. Now I'm gonna show you guys how much product there's in this. Ooh, there's pretty good product, you guys, not gonna lie, it's really good. All right, so let's start. So right off the bat, the product is a little waxy. I like it. I like the applicator. I like how it's very easy to apply, but I feel like it's easy to apply because of how waxy it is. And I prefer like more hard, kind of like, have you guys ever tried the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil? I feel like that one's perfect, like the consistency, the formula, but I don't know, that's my preference. It's doing its job, like I'm not gonna lie, it's really nice, pretty good, like I'm not complaining. So far, this brow pencil is doing its job perfectly. I love it. I think this will be my everyday brow pencil. So now I'm just gonna get rid of the powder and kind of do the same thing that I do like with my under eye. I melt the product into my skin. So far, everything's going so good. I feel like I'm gonna have a good makeup day. You guys, this palette right here, this is the Revolution Sofx Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know how you pronounce, like Sophie, is that what they're trying to get? I don't even care about the name because look at the packaging is beautiful, by the way. Like it's matte, but then this is metallic. Can we just talk about the palette? It's gorgeous. Eyeshadow names right here, but can we just talk about the eyeshadows in this palette? They look beautiful, you guys. So first, I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm going to be taking Cloudberry, which is this shade right here. It's kind of like an orange soda color. So this is going to go perfect on my crease as a transition color. The payoff is really good, you guys. I think my lights are washing it out a little. So I'm going to be taking a different brush. This is a Makeup Shack T12 brush. And I'm going to be picking up Pumpkin, the shade right here. I'm going to be concentrating this color on the... Whoa, that's pigmented. Whoa. Okay. Let me add some on this side. I think this is going to be my everyday palette. I'm announcing it to the world. You will see this palette on every single of my tutorials now. And I'm very sorry if there's like noise in the background. My whole family came and yeah, it's a full house today. Right after this, I'm gonna spend time with my family and I just got done filming a video. I don't know, I'm a procrastinator, okay? Like, that's how I am. That's how it be around here. So I'm gonna be picking up a rosewood with this Morphe M13 brush, and then I'm just going to be applying this shade on the outer corner. Petrol right there. It's kind of like an emerald, kind of like. Alright, so I decided to not go with that shade. I'm gonna go with a different shade, which is this one right here, which is Grow Old. It's kind of like a coppery color. Alright guys, so now that we have that really pressed on, like, I'm really impressed on how pigmented this eyeshadow is. Even like applying it, it was very easy to apply, which made me really, really happy. I really want to see how the eyeshadow really works, so I'm just gonna keep it like very simple. I'm gonna be taking Cloudberry again, and I'm just going to be applying this right underneath my lower lash line. And now I'm going to be taking a pumpkin again, and I'm just going to be applying this right on the outer. I'm not going to take it so far. Focus it more on the outer corner. And now taking the brown shade, and I'm just going to now smoke it out. And I'm not going to bring it so far in the inner corner. So we're pretty good with the eyeshadow now. I am now going to be applying highlighter. And for today's highlight, I'm going to be using the Revolution Strobe Highlight. And it looks like this. This is in the color Gold Attic. So I'm just going to be applying the highlighter with a Morphe M509. So I'm just going to be applying those on. Oh, wow. By the way, this is my first time ever trying Makeup Revolution, and so far the first impressions, they're just great, you guys. Like, the powder was amazing, the concealer, this, like, I don't think I've ever experienced anything like this. So I'm going to be taking the highlighter and applying it on the inner corner of my eye to add like a little pop of highlight. So I did not get a new mascara, but I am going to be applying my favorite mascara at the moment, which is the Benefit Bad Gal mascara. It's so good. Alright, so these lashes are not drugstore lashes, but they're super affordable. I think these are $8. So the lipstick I'm going to be using today, it is this Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish. And it's in this color right here. I don't know how it'll look with this eye look, so I'm just going to see. Alright, so last but not least, I'm going to be taking this Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. It's this one right here. I'm just going to... it smells really good. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions only using drugstore makeup. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to sign up for Ebates. The link will be down on my description box if you guys are interested to take advantage on the Ebates special cashback promotion. And also, if you guys want to know how my makeup wore out throughout the day, then check my description box. I'm going to have a paragraph and I'm going to tell you guys every single detail, like if it lasted, if my concealer creased, if the eyeshadow stayed on. I will have it down on the description box. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.